Yes, it's King Kong. 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 Gang, gang, got it.
Hey guys, thanks for coming to my channel. I am Paul Dow, and in today's video, we are going to be reviewing the 3 brand new colors from ColorCL.com, colored contact lenses. They are the most affordable, comfortable, beautiful contact lenses I literally have ever worn. That's the honest to God's truth. I've run the gamut on contact lenses, from expensive ones to the really cheap ones at the Hood beauty store, the local neighborhood. Okay, before you skip forward to see the colors and start bottom contact lenses, make sure that when you do, you use my code Paul Dow Beauty. It's the same as my Instagram, so if you just happen to forget, you can just go to my Instagram at Paul Dow Beauty and remind yourself of the code. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we've come in just a little bit closer because obviously you guys want to see. So the colors, even though they're not part of today's review, they are going to be part of a review. I guess it's really not a review so much as a try on, a sampling, whatever. It's a review. So the ones I have on today, and these are one of my top 4 shades, probably I would say in the top 4, but this is one of the, my top 4 colors from ColorCL. The color I have in right now is called Romance Dian. I think it's Dian, D-I-A-N, or Dian, I'm not sure which, but Romance Dian. I'm going to say Dian, so Romance Dian. And the thing that I like about these is how dark they are around the edge and then have that light blue, grayish kind of center. So for me, they look super natural. I'm sure that, I don't know if they do. If I saw somebody else wearing them, would I think so? I don't know. But sometimes I catch myself in the mirror and I'm like, oh my God, those look so real. So, okay. The first color that we are going to be trying will be the Parrot Green. So I suppose I can do this with you guys while I'm talking, or doing this while I'm talking to you guys, so you guys can at least see what my natural eye color looks like. And I get all of these really nice contact lens cases from ColorCL. This is the Lily Marco contact lens mate box, but it looks like this, super cute. And then you open it up, it has your tools that you need in there and a spot for your contacts to go, and then a cute little, it's gold. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see what's happening there, so I'm just going to move my mirror, and this is, oh my God, they're so dark. You know what, and I wear these contacts all of the time, so it's weird for me to, it's not weird because it's my natural color, so, and I love my eye color. I just think it's fun to, switch it up. And I've been switching it up so much lately that my natural eye color looks weird to me. No big deal. Okay. So yeah. So these just go right in here, like so. And cute. Okay, so the first color up we're trying today is the Parrot Green. And these are part of the original Siesta collection. So if you go looking for them, you can just search Parrot Green. I will also put links down in the description box below to make it easy for you. Okay, so here's the first color. So my natural eye, and then the Parrot Green. And we can even get a little bit closer. Okay, so the thing that I love about these lenses, they start out, so before you've put them in, when you look at the lens, it looks like a bright green around the edge and then a bright yellow on the inside. And the two colors blend, the yellow and the green, very starbursty. And so you end up with this supernatural look. Like, this is what I would imagine, even though I do find maybe the pupil of this to be less gradient than I would probably prefer. First of all, it's $15, y'all, plus 10% off with code Paul.Beauty. So you know, there's really no, honestly, you're not gonna get any better than this for that price. Like, it's ridiculous how affordable they are and how natural these look to me. This is what I would think my, like, the color of the green of my eye would be if I naturally had, like, hazel eyes. Even though it's, like, clearly a green. I just think it's so pretty. Cute. So, and I like to give you guys different, like, focal lengths and points to see what you really think about the color. And honestly, you guys, I will forever be a ColorCL customer, because they're just, like, so comfortable and affordable. And, like, so honestly, you guys, there's so many different series to choose from that I love, that there's really something for everyone. There's cosplay lenses. There are very minimal, what they call, like, edge lenses that just go around the edge and don't, like, come in tight and cover your whole entire eye. So just, like, something that, like, gives accents to your natural eye color. I love those. Just so many. My favorite for sure are the Black Romance series, and I will do a review try-on, like, test of those next because I love those ones so much, but these ones just came out. So the color that we're trying on next is called Ebony Blue. It just looks like a really deep blue. So yeah, it looks like, wow, really natural, you guys. You guys, the scrubbing, like, the fibers of the iris in this one are just so realistic. I don't know how much of that you can actually see, but between the darker blue on the outer limbal ring and the inner part of the iris, it's very, like, weaved, blended together, and just kind of does this natural thing that real eyes do, where it's, like, weavy. So let's put this other one in and see what they look like together. Okay, my eyes do get so red when I do this sometimes. But you guys, I really think that I love these Ebony Blue ones for, like, a blue that's, like, very pretty, but not so noticeable. Wow. Excuse me, just a little tear. Yeah, as I, like, look at these, I'm just like, wow, that looks really natural to me. I think it looks really pretty, and I am digging it. I dig it. I feel it. I like it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it when you eat it. I love it. I love it. I love it when you eat it. Okay, so these are the Ebony Blue. Yeah, super natural, and just the blending of these, you guys, honestly, is so sick. I just want to get this as close as possible. Love these ones. Absolutely love these ones. Okay. And I will say that something about these contacts remind me almost of like the original, like, and by original I mean the original Siesta contacts that come in this package. They really remind me of the ones that I had in to begin with, the Romance DN. Just maybe a little bit deeper, like the inner iris part of it is just maybe a little bit darker, and maybe like the limbal ring just is a little bit thicker. So Ebony Blue, we definitely really like those ones. And now this last pair looks super cool. Definitely different. These ones are the rose pink from the new launch. So, you guys, this is such a wild color for me. Like, never would I think to try. Oh, wow. These are wild. Wow. So on me, it almost looks like a honey brown in the middle, like a caramel almost, but kind of bloodshot. But at a distance, I can see that it looks great. So let's get the other one in. And it has, like, similar to the Parrot Green, where it's like a vibrant yellow around. Is that inside out? Yeah, it sure was. Where it has a vibrant yellow in the middle, and then has more of a pink limbal ring around the edge. Okay, and these are the rose pink. So, you know, they're actually kind of pretty. They look almost like a weird kind of like rich, like a light brown color. I don't know. Wow, these are so different. I definitely think that these would be cute with like one of my makeup looks, but is this a color that I would probably order on my own? Probably not. Just not for me. I usually go for like the blues, the grays, the lights. The lighter, the better. But honestly, all in all, I really feel like ColorCL is like really stepping up their game as far as like the blend of the contact. Like, I have some other originals, and the blend on these ones, just the multicolor variation to them and the way that they're structured, like the actual print of the contact, to me is like premium. Honestly, I don't know. To me, they just look like a premium contact lens that people normally spend $50 a pair on. So these ones are definitely like growing on me. The more that I look at them, the more that I'm like, wow, these are pretty in just a way that I did not expect. Now, one thing with the original line that I do feel like I don't love the most is the pupil. ColorCL has other blends, and you can check out some of my other reviews when I get them up. I do have one first initial review video, and it is a range. But on the next one, I want to do the entire romance series, with the exception of a few. So I want to know what you guys think about these new colors, and which one of these colors do you guys think looked best on me? Yeah. So back to me. Which color looked best on me? Yeah. So we are going to get these ones out and get our regular ones back in. Okay, so I am back in the Romance DN that I love so much. One of my top 4 faves, somewhere in there. So I really want to know what you guys thought of the 3 brand new colors and which ones you guys thought looked best on me, and which ones you think might have looked best on you. And if you decide to order any from www.colorcl.com, I will provide my affiliated link down in the description box below, as well as the 10% off code, which is Paul Dow Beauty, same as my Instagram. So make sure you check out both those, ColorCL and my Instagram. On my Instagram, there are so many more color pictures of more of the color contact lenses. So yeah, I am so happy you guys came here so I can do this review for you. I love doing this stuff. Legitimately, it's I'm just so grateful for everything that has happened in the last year, and just as far as like me being an influencer up to this point, things have been going better than I can have expected, so we love that. So if you guys want to follow me on this like influencer journey and just be your outsider on the inside of this whole world, I am happy, more than happy to do that for you. It's literally what I do best. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I have a brand new video up. And I promise we have a stream of them lined up. So new things coming, new things to review, new things to show you guys, new fun makeup, music videos, and all of the things you would expect from a Paul Dow. So I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you guys later. Bye.